Let us try answering this general math na question. 1/8 in percent is it 10.5, 12.5, 14.5, or 16.5? As I have talked about previously, hindi naman talaga ako bobo sa math, okay? I can understand it. How I see math is the same with how I see grammar. I do not really enjoy it very much kasi para sa akin, there are steps na you have to follow for you to be able to arrive at the correct answer, no? Or maybe my formula or my rules kang dapat sundin. And personally, I really don't enjoy things like that. No, I would rather be more carefree. Anyway, with this mindset, how did I survive Gen Ed Math during my own board exam? No, nagtitake ako. So what I did is mental mathematics. I could not really memorize all the formulas. I mean, I have memorized some, pero hindi talaga lahat. And you'll never know kung anong itatanong nila sa board exam, diba? Kaya being able to do mental math, in Bisaya, we have this term. We call it tinamban. Or it means maybe shortcut. You know, if you know me, that's who I am as well. Not just as a lecturer, but as a person, no? Talagang shortcut ako na tao. Kung saan yung mas madali, kahit na hindi ko nasundin lahat ng steps, I will go there. Or siguro talagang bobo ako, no? Gina-justify ko na lang. But whatsoever. Anyway, how would I solve this with my own mental mathematics? I just think, out of 100, yung 1/2 is 50. Diba? Yung 1/4, hatiin mo yung 50. That's 25. Diba? Tapos, paano pag 1/8? Edi, hatiin mo yung 1/4, hatiin mo yung 25. And that's 12.5. So, actually, yung real way talaga to solve this is 1 divided by 8. Diba? But that's a lot of hassle if you actually go through that. So, that's how I think, no? 50, 25, yung 1/4, so yung 1/8, half din ng 1/4. So, that's 12.5. That's the answer. What do you think about it?